To the investigations into the tragic fire in Hyderabad that left 17 people of a family dead in the Charminar area yesterday. While a conclusive report is awaited for the cause of the early morning fire in the densely populated area, a suspected electrical issue could be seen as one of the probable causes. Political statements over the tragedy, however, dominated the day as BRS leader K.T. Ramarao visited the spot and claimed there was a delay in the arrival of fire tenders, an allegation sharply rebutted with facts by the fire services. Uma Sudhir has the details.
The political blame game, of course, continues, saying that the administration did not react fast enough. Mr. K.T. Ramarao, who was there at the condolence meeting that was held with the community members, the traders associations, as well as the hawkers of the area, he subsequently said that the administration had not reacted quickly and that the fire tenders had not come there. But yes, the DG Fire Services has shown us records to say that the fire tenders had reached within minutes, and that the blame about not having adequate equipment is also not valid, is what he has said. The committee members, or rather the local residents, have been a little hurt that the blame is being put on them for the kind of conditions that existed there that led to the fire and the trapping and the huge number of victims. And they now want to take some corrective steps while ensuring justice for the victim family, as well as ensuring that there is no recurrence. So while we are talking about a single narrow pathway that led for an entry as well as exit, the narrow staircase, which was hardly about 1 meter wide, connecting both the first and second floors, no setback, and ACs running, and a lot of illegal power connections that are used there, because of which there will be huge fluctuations in voltage. All of that they want to address with the aspect of safety and want to constitute a committee themselves so that they can speak in one voice to the administration. They want to also ensure that there is fire safety drills that are carried out, fire alarms, smoke alarms, all of that put in place so that they ensure that Charminar area, the old city area, becomes safe for the residents there as well as for those who come visiting to the historic monument and shop around in those lanes and by-lanes of the Charminar.
Right, tragic fire accident there. That's all we have time for on the Southern View this evening. News and updates continue right here on NDTV.